teach on you. You never teach on you. You never teach on you. I wanna go soon teach on you. Thank you. Now, based on what you talk, we're not gonna lie now. True. So many people, because if you want to know people when they say get them inside, when they say they sing music, they sing. Okay, I should take talk now before we come back. Say you know how you take shake Chidima up where. See Chidima today now.
No way where Chidima no fit enter go sing. And you know say she come small, come fine.
He no get where Chidima no fit enter.
Then when she open her voice, oh.
So basically, what you try talk be say you have to stoop low to conquer.
True. And meanwhile, now you if to say you don't put fire for
you
her
go wake
bottom.
Up. And thank God to the producer of the show, Ultima Studios. Image building.
You understand?
It's
important.
They build your image
you
from
understand?
Scratch to so that when you reach one level, even if you get to blend with the elites, you go still come back. You go still blend with your own.
You
because
understand?
now your own keep you there. Consistency is the most important thing. That is why I love Nigerians. They don't send you. Once you begin misbehave, go with your wilderness, face it.
You understand?
That is how it is.
Because it can't be like say they lose their focus. Whether now all those better good life.
You understand?
Life is good. The life is good. You know? It's a near perfect life.
You know they watch
the
clock.
academy. You know they
your
do
own,
anything.
now you're still above rub your.
They can sing.
Anyway, we'll go take 2 or 3 calls just for now to talk to Ben. In case you want to sing, make him know whether if I be sing or not. Sing, then we'll go tell you whether you don't cheat or not. Agbev, good evening.
Ashta, una never cheat on
Agbev, you don't cheat on.
Your wife they cook, Abi?
My wife they cook that.
You don't cheat on.
What I do?
You don't cheat on.
I don't feel something.
Bye. Agbev, you want to log Ben talk?
Yes.
He dey hear you.
How you doing?
I'm well, thank you. Good evening.
But I hear about you since I never see you. But today I see you.
What do you hear about him?
I hear about you well. I never see you face to face. I see you for life now. Left for the rest of the day now.
Go sorrow.
I hear you go talk again. I don't get up over today.
What do you hear?
Now there you go, thank.
Agbev, thank you. Now, back to what we talk about building them right. You get one thing where you do always talk. You say if you can't face the pains that comes before success, you don't deserve the endless gains it bring. You go fit explain more. What's in that way you talk?
You are raw, not in day. You dey look mama they say crayfish or mama they roast bully for road. You tell yourself, say you must hammer.
Person like me, I know where I come from. But true now. Sorry, continue.
You must hammer. Anyway, you can't walk out, you can't hammer finish. You won't go back dirty.
My brother.
No.
That is what it means. If you work hard to reach where you did, be consistent. Even if you don't stay at the top, if you did middle, push. You fall small. Push. Now consistency they keep you. That is how it works. Okay. Go ask the successful people. Not be those with silver spoon they their mouth before they burn them. Go ask them, they go tell you.
Miriam from Amuro Dofun, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you doing, my sister?
I'm fine. Good evening, Katim.
Sweetie, Anna.
Hello? Miriam!
She don't lost. Mary?
She owe you?
No.
Hey!
You don't shout forever.
Now you shout. No, you shout.
Now you.
Now you start them.
Now, Meg will ask you, from Ilorin, good evening.
Hello.
Hello, my brother, good evening.
Good evening, how na day there?
We there.
How body?
Body dance a cloth, oh.
Nedu, my brother.
Bayo, my brother, oh.
How na day now?
We there.
I beg, now that's me for Project Fame I want to talk to.
They hear you.
I beg, you get the question where I want to answer. Make it no verse, oh.
They hear you now.
I want to answer and say, Project Fame, they know they change their director. Why is it saying now only them? And my auntie did it. Auntie Joker Silva. He did it. And himself did it. So, good years now they don't do thing. They don't do this thing. I beg, I say, God beg them. Maybe they train another person. We don't tire for their face. make them bring another person come.
Now make Oga Ben stay.
Wait.
We thought say we won't change it for Nigeria.
See that politics.
Don't talk about outside though.
I never wait to make Oga Ben answer you. Thank you very much. He will answer you. Answer now.
You can't change a winning team.
Bam!
The beautiful thing about you say, if anybody they lag behind, they go orientate you. If you not fit change, they go replace you. After all, if you see now, we don't get another presenter with Joseph Benjamin.
Joseph Benjamin, yes.
That's how it be. So.
Now, so one thing they add. Today you go add crayfish. Tomorrow you add time. The other day you add
why you go add crayfish and thyme, Neru? You just no talk again.
Not be time clock. Oh.
I know time.
Time.
Spice.
Time will be like curry now. Thyme, curry, rosemary, pickle leaf. I
Okay.
bottle.
Now back to women. Back you don't marry. I want to ask you one question. Your name na Ben B. Your wife name na Benedict
B.
Your two children name Brittany B. The other one Brian B. Then use B take swear for you.
No, I don't.
Brendan B. 5B.
So I think bottle how Yoruba they call it
Oriki.
Maybe
Oriki, the one that they hear you now.
maybe na that be they take the
Wait till they tell you for spirit say all your children must be B. Your life must be B.
So that it go dey easy.
Yeah. Now make you just choose B. If your wife no come, if her name no come be Benedict Ongo.
It no matter. If your name change, we go retain the B and it retain our own initial. It must stay inside.
why?
All right, from Macaulay, good evening.
You know talk true.
Pascal
Your
from
jazz.
Macaulay, good evening.
Your jazz dey inside there.
Pascal. Pascal.
No, 4B. BBB.
Okay, bye-bye, Pascal. Call us back. Ifweke.
Huh?
Ifweke ko etu.
Ifreke.
Ifreke. Gini. It's again. Idachi chachi. Abaye, Idachi chachi.
Meso tongon ke ba mimbo mo kenyang fi kere ki kweke ke keri freke mo inka miko. Kododo mo ko sere mo yo.
Kododo, who said that mo yo? Idachi chachi. Who said that mo? You know. Thank you. Call us back. Who said that mo? Now, who you go say now be your major inspiration for what you do?
Elder Steve Rhodes, God bless his
Hey.
soul. Fela Anikulapo Kuti, God bless his soul. For the music industry, humility, Two-Face.
Hey, Baba.
My guy. He fall, he rise. He fall, he rise.
He born, he rise. He born, he rise.
You know where, man, I tell you, the day where I begin respect Two-Face, where I give him another respect for another level.
You talk and you don't tell me that.
I don't tell you before. Yeah. On top radio, he come one day when I want read news. Now, if I don't see for baba. He can't come radio when I want read news one day. He carry my news. He can't look one of the updates. He can't sing the updates. I shock. I respect him. He said, they do a nice one. I know they say, you're a bad guy. We leave him there. This happened early of the year. Ending of the year for Rhythm Unplugged.
Hey, I don't say
backstage. I just did backstage.
You shout,
I just did go. I hear person shout, Nedu! When I turn back, I say Two-Face. Now I look and another person. Hey, Two-Face, call my name. Jesus, thanks, sir. Since that day, I begin to respect that guy separate. That guy, humility.
Too much.
No. Okay, Anadugo from First Tag, our last caller for today. Anadugo. Toilet to you. You don't cheat on Chief,
Chief, and there.
you know, you don't cheat on Chief.
I never cheat on Chief.
Because on cheat on Chief.
I beg, Anadugo, follow Agaben dog. You want?
I tell you, they shout today.
I know they shout today, Abi.
No, Katia, they talk, said everything they come. You know, they shout for. The body know they shout.
No, you know why? She don't cheat on Chief.
Katia, they come.
Yeah, her body don't cheat on Chief.
They're gentle.
That's why. Onadugo, thank you very much. Good night. Anyway, double toilet to Ogaben. He go still come back next week.
Now, one of those people we dey always open the door to because we could do audition. Okaben must to come back here whether that 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time.
Next week Thursday, when Ogaben go day here, those of una wey feel say una sabi sing, una go come, una go call.
Other people when Ogaben don't train inside Project Fame, then go day here.
Then go day.
Make them talk their experience.
Then go come with
face to face.
Then go day here. Those of them wey Chidima and the rest of them go fit get them, make them come studio, make in them talk. Una go. Those of una wey feel say una never teach una sabi sing. Now call. But before we go, double twirl to all of them wey don't call us. Double twirl, especially to Ogaben Ogbeiwi, we hail you. We go. In go do audition for us before we go. We are going to do voice training. Easy bit, come here. We are going to do voice training. Anyway, double twilight to Ben Ogbeiwi. Thank you, boss. And then all of now, we will not fit take on our call. Sorry, say we'll take calls late. We will not fit take call because we want to talk well. Double twilight, but make we do our audition. Make we watch us as we do our audition.
Breathe in.
Stand up.
Breathe in.
Katim, stand up now.
Breathe in like you're soaking water from a straw. We not the emergency ward of hospital.
Sorry.
La 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 la
La la la la la la la
la la la la la la la
la la la la la la la
la la la la la la la.
Now what do they drive?
I don't know.
No. Not be Marwa.
Okay.
La 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 la. What's it?
Blessing only. If blessing only, you go do that one, no?
Yeah.
Okay, what could do?
Go.
La 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 la.
No, Nedu. Nedu is not.
You see, now this is the reason why you talk say if symptoms persist after 3 days.
No, you're not talking well now. Okay, talk again. You're not talking well now.
You're not talking well.
Now only one time they talk something.
Okay, Ogaben, we don't already know.
Okay, we don't already now. We don't
La
serious now.
la 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 la.
No,
Don't remember now.
Wait, no first. Now we don't ready very well.
Talk
Yours
about
one more
remember.
The
time.
one you if you remember. You remember how much day your account?
No. I know. No.
You remember how much day your account?
No.
Then you don't.
No, yours one more time.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. Another last thing remain too la go.
Lagos, Nigeria, Africa. Now don't cheat on cheat.
La they never teach us. We never teach us. We never teach us. We never teach us. We never teach us. You never teach auntie. You never teach auntie. I want you go to teach auntie. You never teach auntie. You never teach auntie. You never teach auntie. So you go to teach auntie.
This is Kechina problem. This is Bakana Wahala. That's so we go to show them. I dey plan to report you give your father. In sickness in health, for better for us. The money go come, it go better for us. You know what I be now, say people go talk. Only me and my money go day other month. You catching the feeling? I seen a box, now me get all the chilling. Suddenly discovered that something was missing. Some of my guys will be up in the ceiling. Forget the chilling, now back to your ways. So you make we they connect, I value your ways. Actually, you must be feeling the boy. Give me some time, make a tackle your ways. You never teach okay.
Never teach auntie. You never teach auntie. I love you go to teach auntie.